talking about, and this platform is called Temu. Yes, if you don't know what Temu is a platform that also sells products like Amazon. You can find e-products, you can find physical products. As you see, these are all products that you can buy. So many. You can just come here in the search bar and search what you want to buy. But I want to show you how you are going to use this platform to make money. Yes, Temu is trying to compete with Amazon, and they are doing a lot of promotions. Even I'm going to leave a link in the description below. If you want to sign up to this platform, you sign up for free, and they are going to give you coupon codes that you can use to buy things on this platform. Coupon codes which can be even up to $200. Guys, I mean it. Up to $200 when you are shopping on this platform, taking things for free. Yes, I'll leave a link in the description below about Tem. So, guys, how are you going to use this platform to make money? First of all, you can make your own products and start selling them here, or you can do this trick that I'm going to show you that is even easier and cheaper. Yes, and another way that you can earn from this platform is by doing affiliate marketing. If you're like, I don't have time to create the products myself, you will come here and take products from here and use them for affiliate marketing. Like, you can use them on a website, you can use them on YouTube. Let me show you an example. Like, if you come on YouTube, you are going to find people making reviews, yes, about Temu. When you come on YouTube, you search YouTube, you are going to see a lot of reviews that are making, a lot of YouTube channels that are making reviews about products from Temu. Or some YouTube channels are comparing some products from Temu and Amazon. Yes, so it depends on you which one you are going to use. I'm just giving you like extra tips. Yes, you can also go in this way and you will still earn some money. And not I mean some money, I mean some cool cash. You just come here on YouTube, you type in Tame products, then you will see a lot of videos which are talking about it, and you can go ahead and replicate that. Yes, but in this video, what I'm going to talk about is this. What I want to share with you guys is this. When you come on this website Temu, you can see products that on Temu that are selling very cheap. Yes, and you can use those products to make some extra money. How are you going to make that extra money? You are going to price those products higher on another website that I'm going to show you. Yes, you are going to price those products higher on this website, like these people are doing. Yes. So if you come here on this website, which is called Etsy, people here on Etsy, what they basically do, they sell products which are digital products and products which are physical, which are handmade. So it depends on you which one can do. If you want to create digital products, you can create that on Etsy and sell them. Or if you want to go with something like which is handmade, you have a skill about it, you can go ahead. Like, all these candles are handmade, so you can go and do that. Yes. So what people are doing nowadays, they come here on Tem, they find things that are selling cheap on Temu, and they go and resell them on Etsy for a very big price. And guys, that's how you're going to make your money. And you can use Etsy to sell and make that money, but Etsy will take some commission from it. But if you're like, you want to keep everything to yourself, you can build your own website, and I'm going to walk you through these two processes. Yes, so this candle that we see here on the ice candle, you can see this version. It's also the coffee ice candle, which is sold for $6. Yes, here this is also an ice candle which is sold for $8. This is another ice candle which is sold for $8 too. This is for $7, $9. This is something to do with also coffee. It's a coffee candle, and it's a gift. Guys, we are in the Christmas season. You can give this to a person as a gift, and don't only focus on Christmas season. You can also find other products that you are going to be selling even when Christmas is finished. So you see, this one is $80. There are so many of them. And when you come here on Etsy, these same ice candles are selling higher. Yes, As you see, this ice candle is selling for almost $30 when you come to Etsy. But there but on Temu, the highest ones are for $12. Yes, and here they are selling them for $30. And what these people basically do, they go to Temu, buy the product for a cheap price, and come list it on Etsy for a higher price. So, guys, that's how you are going to make money using this website, which is called Temu. You can see this one, which has Starbucks. It's a good iced coffee candle, and this is almost up to $30, but on Temu you are going to find it cheaper, maybe $8 down, maybe $3. It depends if you take your time and search very well. I'm just giving you products that you can start with. Yes, these are all iced coffee candles. See this one, it looks so cute and it's popular. People are buying it. As you see, it's popular. People are buying this product. When you see popular now, it means people are buying it right now. And you see the person making it, it's not difficult for them to make. Or if you want to opt for another way, you can be making these products by yourself and can put them on Etsy on a higher price. And the good thing about it, all the ingredients, all the things you need to make these candles, they are there on Temu and for a cheap price. Yes. So guys, that's what I want you to do. You come here on Temu and look for products that you've seen are popular now on Etsy, and they are really selling good. Like this one, which is written "Good Job." It's for $7, guys. So if you take it here, maybe like for $7, and you go sell it in Etsy for $30, then you are earning some good money for yourself. Yes. And I'm going to show you other products that you can go with, that you can start with. Yes, so if we come here on Etsy and search for this strawberry ice candy, you're going to get surprised, guys, how much it's selling here and how much it's selling on Temu. Yes, as you can see, all these products, they look good. Yes, you might think it's something to eat, but it's not something to eat. They are just candles. So when we come here on Temu, you are going to find the same product for a very cheap price. See this candle, which is like soya wax for Christmas, and it's $1. If you go on Etsy, it's going to be high, maybe even $30, $40, or $50. You see this strawberry candle that we've seen on Etsy for maybe up to $20. Here it's for $5. So if you buy here for $5, you go and resell on Etsy for a very bigger price. These are all products that you can use to resell. Then, guys, I'm showing you another product that you can go sell on Etsy again. As you can see, these are planners and people are selling them on Etsy. Yes, like planners which help people to budget, where they can put even envelopes where they can put their money, and some of them are personalized, as you can see how this one looks like holidays, businesses. So that's how those planners look like here on Etsy. Some others are personalized. Yes, they are personalized in different ways. And what people are doing, they are coming here on Temu, buying those planners for very cheap price. As you can see, this one, it has 30 envelopes. There are so many of them. This one has a hundred envelopes, and guys, it's only $6. This one is $2, and on Etsy they are selling for a higher price. Yes, this is $4, and on Etsy it's selling for a very higher price. Yes, guys, they are selling for very higher price. This is one is $3. So, guys, it's going to depend on you which products are going to do well. I'm showing you the products that you can start with. Yes, you can start with, but if you don't feel like you want to resell these products on Etsy and you want to build your own website and be doing this thing and be selling them on your own website, so that when you are selling them on your own website, you will be earning the own money, everything, shipping and everything. If that's what you want to do, then you can go ahead and open your own website and start selling them by yourself. But the thing in that, you are supposed to be driving your own traffic. But when it comes to Etsy, it already has a traffic, like people already know it and they are coming here to buy things. Yes, they are coming here to buy things. But if you want to go the other way around, you want to open yourself your own website and start maybe creating the products from scratch, or you can buy these ones here and resell them. And guys, it's not only here, people are doing it for Amazon too. People will go in places like Walmart where they're selling cheap things, they'll buy them for cheap and they'll resell them on Amazon for a higher price. Yes, guys, you will not be the first one. People are already doing this. So it depends on you. If you want a wider market, then you will go with platforms like Etsy, Amazon, because these platforms already have a market. People know them and they are already coming to buy things from here. Yes, but if you're like you want to do it your own way, build your own website, then you can go ahead with that step and it will also work for you. Yes, guys, it will also work for you. So it depends on you. So you can comment in the comment section below if you are going to try out this new side hustle and make some extra cash. Are you going to build your own website or are you going to be buying from Temu and reselling on Etsy? So if guys you don't know how to build your own website, you can comment in the comment section below so that I can do a video walking you through that. If you're like, I want to build my own website but I don't have money to start, I want to start for free, yes, then there are platforms you can use to design your website for free. But the other side to it, people will not take you professional. So if you're like you're on a budget, you don't have money yet, you can buy products from Temu, resell them on Etsy. Then when you feel like you've earned some money, then you can go ahead and start your brand and build your own website. And another last trick, guys, I want to give you, like you see all these labels people are putting here, what you can do when you've built your own website, what you will do, you can be coming, removing all these logos that they put here, print your own logos, put them on that product and make it your own, and you build your own brand even without creating the products by yourself. Yes, guys, you can be doing that. There are so many products that you can find. If you're like you want to go in the home and decor niche, you can just take your time and search through. I just don't want too much time to go. And this is where also our friend Google comes in. You can use Google Trends to make your researches better. You can go to Google Trends, ask it what people are buying from Etsy or what people are buying from Temu and reselling it on Etsy. And Google will give you the researches, what people have been buying. Yes, and you can do that. So guys, that's what I had for you in this video. If this video has done you good, given you value, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.